My Joe Stinker got a cracker. She got a cracker all over her. Here. Here you go. Here. Here. No, no, no. No. Here. Here, here. Here. Hey. Right here. Right here. There we go. There we go. Cracker! Oh, okay?
No, I don't know where that meow would be.
Okay? That was a yawn. You're not supposed to yawn while you're eating. You okay? Oh. Did you get it? Did you get it?
William, that's just scaring me.
She's okay. She's okay, honey. Hey! Hey! Hi, Joe! Here. This is all you're gonna get, though. That's the last of it. Here. That's it. There you go. I think 2 whole crackers is enough for you. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Yeah, there it is. Here it is. Right there. There it is. And right into the mouth. Yay! It's yummy, huh? Uh-oh, it dropped. It dropped. Right here. Right here. There you go. Oh! Where'd it go? Here it is. Right here. Right here. There you go. Yay! Hey. You tinker. Hello. There she is. There she is. There's a pretty girl. Hey, there's no more cracker. There's no more crackers. There's no more crackers.